The biggest loss on your goat farm is not dead goats. It is one mistake you are repeating every single. Most farmers track profit per goat, but that's not where the real money is won or lost. Serious farmers track something different. That's profit per mistake. Let me tell you why. Just one repeated mistake can quietly cancel the profit of your entire herd. Some farmers breed at wrong time. When their goats are ready, the market becomes flooded. Then price drop and they are forced to sell lower price. Some also delay treatment just because the animal still looks fine. Okay, let's assume no death, but growth will slow, feed intake will increase, and you will still sell lighter animals. The worst of all, you keep that one unproductive goat for months, feeding it and hoping it improves, but it doesn't. All these are some of the things you should consider when you are tracking your goat farm. These are losses that you should look at, which can cause your profit to lower. Now, let's quantify one mistake. Let's assume you plan to sell at 600 Ghana cedis per a goat, but due to poor timing, you are to sell at 420 Ghana cedis. That's a loss of 180 Ghana cedis per goat. If 25 goats are affected, you just lost 4,500 Ghana cedis from one mistake. So this is not disease, not theft, not mortality, just one repeated decision. And here is the shift. Stop asking how many goats did I raise and start asking which mistake cost me the most money this year, because fixing one mistake can make you more profit than adding 20 more goods. If you've watched this video till here, then you are really enjoying the video, so subscribe to encourage me.